Class is over, brothers. Good evening. There are new toys again. The thief is a straight head from Fisty DC, a mini Fisty DC. Look at the accessories with their brand name, a small bag. Everyone has probably seen this promotional product before. If you haven't seen it, the biggest feature of this stick-knocking stick is that the beads fall out. Can be equipped with this lock. Let's take a look first. Wow, so beautiful. Not bad. I'll try it out later when I join the team. Actually, I also bought a new team lock at the same time, but it hasn't arrived yet. I can only try using the team locks from my other Beyblades.